So, how to fix Instagram Reels save option not showing. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem in less than 1 minute. So first thing you wanna do is very simple. Just open the settings on your phone, open the apps, go to the apps, go to the Instagram app. If you didn't find it, you can just search for it here in the search bar. Now you have to click on Instagram and then click on the permissions and make sure that all the permissions are enabled. Go back again and this time click on the data usage and make sure that all the data usage options are enabled. And last thing you want to do is make sure that you have the latest version. If you don't have it, then you have to update your Instagram on Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the very end.